Cameron and Hidalgo counties now, both of them now in the state's top 15 for coronavirus infections. Valley-wide, we have had 1,576 people test positive for the virus since March. Channel 5's Rudy Midelis with a closer look at the numbers.
This is the case curve for the Valley. Last night, 66 cases were reported. Now, that's the highest to date. Now, over the last half of May, numbers have started to climb. By county, Cameron has remained relatively steady since early April. But in the other three counties, we see spikes over the last week. Now, in Hidalgo, we see it starting around May 27th, the 26th in Star, and the 29th in Willacy. Now, in Star and Willacy, we have several days, as you can see in both, without cases. Then a few more, and then a steady increase through both counties. Now, with the biggest spike in the Valley, Hidalgo accounted for 68% of last night's cases. Dr. Emily Pro says that is expected.
I remember at the very beginning with Hidalgo, when we were starting to see more testing, they might have gotten back, 63 positive. And now we're starting to trend back towards those numbers. They're in the 50s yesterday, so we are seeing increase in number of positives. However, we're testing a lot more people, so it's also expected.
Now, May 16th was the first military test site. With an average turnaround of around 9 to 10 days, that puts us right over here on May 26th, about 10 days later. That's the beginning of the upward trend. Pros says slow turnaround accounts for that sudden spike towards the end of last month.
Depending on which lab the results were sent to, those results will start coming in. So I'm not surprised that we're getting more of those results from the military missions that were conducted last week and that we're starting to get back throughout this week. So we're just getting results as they come through.
Dr. Elizabeth Cuevas says those test sites have been successful.
We're also looking forward to scheduling new sites in some of our other underserved areas, and we are very proud to say that our turnaround time for labs has gone from many days to now 3 to 4 days with the partnership with UPRGV.
Now, Pros says that although rising, the types of cases have been manageable. She adds hospitalizations have remained under 10% for the Valley, which is a positive trend, adding that wearing a mask and following CDC guidelines will continue to keep that number low. In Brownsville, Rudy Midelis, Channel 5 News at 6.